So, last bit of incline done before we get to the top of Loughrigg Fell, which is just there. And I'm not going to disturb my fellow walkers too much with once getting up there, talking to a camera at the end of a stick. I'll sit down, have some butties, and enjoy the views. In the meantime, if you want to enjoy the views, I best get that drone footage on. Music. Let's find out. Enjoy.
Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.